Hey guys, Savannah here on the Savannah Everything channel. I hope you're having a nice day. I am too. So today I made fully with clay, foam, and felt, and some tape. I made an arcade, a mini arcade. So let's have our families go here. So we got our mom with her baby. And we're also gonna have a little sister. Blah. Yeah, okay. So let's go see the games. Whoops, one more family. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, coin dispenser. Okay, so my name is Lee. So there's a boy and his dad, okay? So over here we have our ticket booth. Here's a little fun game. Alright, so first place they're going to go is right here. This is the coin dispenser. You can get little pieces of money. And these red coins are for this food court, and these are just normal coins to play the game. And here's the red coin again, and one more time the little money. All right, now let's see. All right, so first these guys are gonna go to the food court. So imagine they order, like, I don't know, how about they order a burger, some popcorn, and a fruit cup. Burger, popcorn. And let's go in the little cabinet. All right, so man, go in the little cabinet here. Here's our fruit cup, and if they want a little plate, here's their plate. They also have a cheese pizza, but nobody wanted that, so put that in there. Just close that, whatever. All right, so they'd want that, and so these guys, they're going to play this motorcycle game. Okay, now they're gonna play deer hunting. So we have the little guns. Here's our screen for hunting the deer. Here's our guns. We have a red and a blue. Okay, and one last game. There is Pac-Man and the shooting the dart game. So like you have darts, and here's the target, and you have to try and hit the red. And if you hit the red, you get a prize, which would be any of these things. So let me set them up. Be like one of these, something like that. That's all it is, pretty much. So there's one last game. Let's go in this door. It's invisible, but let's go in it. Whoa, that was so much fun. I loved that. That was so much fun. Yay! So there's my, another game there is this. It's the claw game. Claw machine game. Now, I know that everybody thinks this game is like really hard, but for me, I don't know why. For me, it's just really easy. I have like 100 balls that I've won from that game. So if anybody ever needs something from that, just give me a call and I can get you something. It takes me like, most of the time it takes me my first try, but sometimes it takes like the second or third. Well, that's pretty much it. The place is called Savvy's Savage Funhouse, and that's pretty much it. That's the place. So yeah, this is where you enter. Just go through like a normal person. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.